In this video, we'll show you how you can use your own custom fonts in your EasyBilling documents, like quotations, invoices, and more. To get started, go to the Settings menu and select Install Font. In the font list, you'll see all the fonts currently available in EasyBilling. To add your own font, click the green Add button. In the pop-up, you'll need to provide a name for the font, which will be how you refer to it later. Then, click Browse to select your font file, which can be in .ttf or .ttc format. If your font has bold and italic versions, you can upload those as well. Once you've added all the necessary font files, click Save to complete the installation. Now, when you're creating a document, you'll find your custom font available in the Font Selection menu at the top. Simply choose the font you want to use, and it will be applied throughout your document. And that's how you can use your own custom fonts in EasyBilling documents. Thank you for watching this tutorial.